Today I'm checking out these precision screwdrivers. These were sent to me at no cost so I could do this review. Let's take these things out of the package and check them out. Alright, so these are them out of the packaging. It comes with this little plastic case that they were in. And if you want to look at this, you've got some, good size. You can kind of see against my finger there. A decent sized little flathead, but then you've got some that are like really, really small. And these are going to be useful for when you have like really tiny screws that you need to get out of something. Like, let's say I have this little tire pressure gauge, and although these aren't super small screws, they're pretty small, so sometimes trying to find a screwdriver that will fit down in there is just hard. And you can get a precision screwdriver like this, get in there and just start taking those things out. So I was able to get that one out with no problem. These are kind of large for this kind of scenario. Let me get something even smaller. So I'm not sure if I can get the camera to focus it well, but there is a small flathead screw that's in this pair of glasses. Now, this set has multiple sizes, but if you look at it, this one would actually fit it, but we've got some even smaller in here that could fit just the smallest of screw heads. So that would be able to easily take that screw out. If you look at, let's say this hard drive, right? They've got pretty small precision sized screw heads in there. Again, you could be able to get like this Phillips head here and it fits them just perfect. So that's one thing that I worry about with, precision type screwdrivers is, can they handle the amount of torque that you're having to put behind it to get these small screws broken loose? And these do it with no problem. So yeah, seems like a really nice little set. Pretty happy with them. I think you will be too. So thank you very much for watching. Hope this review was helpful. Y'all take care.